Montana VA healthcare system received its first doses of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine this morning, and frontline workers began rolling up their sleeves and receiving the first doses shortly after. The chief of staff at the Montana VA says they received 1,000 doses and should receive additional shipments every 3 to 4 weeks. Moderna, the vaccine's manufacturer, says 2 doses are required 28 days apart. Trials showed the Moderna vaccine was about 94% effective. About 100 staff members received their first dose today.
I am really excited. We have been waiting for this and waiting for this. So I was stoked to get my appointment.
I am a veteran of the U.S. Air Force, and after doing my research, I determined that it was my social responsibility and a way for me to continue to serve my country by getting the vaccination. It's my duty.
The VA says they will soon be calling veterans to set up appointments for the vaccine. Well, the first COVID vaccines are arriving on the Blackfeet Reservation. They come as the Blackfeet Nation approaches 3 months of a near total shutdown in hopes of curbing the spread of coronavirus. MTN's Zach Shermley checked in with tribal leaders for an update on what the vaccine rollout will look like.
It's everybody's Christmas present.
On Wednesday, the coronavirus vaccine finally reaching the Blackfeet Nation.
Now that we see the vaccine rolling out, yeah, it's a pretty big thing.
After a long year,
it's kind of taken its toll.
The first doses were administered at the Blackfeet Community Hospital on Wednesday morning.
Indian Health Service has received their shipment of Moderna vaccines, and they are beginning to follow the CDC regulations and guidelines by giving them to the healthcare workers and to the long-term care facility here in Browning, as well as the, I believe it's 75 and older.
At the Blackfeet Care Center, where an outbreak occurred earlier this year, news of being included in the first round of vaccinations more than welcome.
Hoping someday we can, gather again and go back to somewhat normal.
I know that we are going to be receiving the Moderna vaccine for the members here.
In the new year, another vaccine shipment will arrive for tribal members.
The Indian Health Service is receiving their vaccines through the government, through the federal side, and our tribal clinics are receiving their shipment from the state side.
And this week,
I am representing the Res Dogs.
The tribe released a PSA hoping to clear up some confusion.
The vaccine is being covered by taxpayer money and is given out at no cost to the public.
And encourage members to get vaccinated.
Everyone will eventually receive a vaccination.
It all comes as active coronavirus cases on the reservation continue to fall.
Our numbers are down. We are only actively at 24 active cases. People are following the rules here. We're pretty proud of ourselves.
A sign of hope in the year ahead.
Hopefully within next Christmas, we'll be celebrating with families and friends again.
In Great Falls, Zach Shermley, MTN News.
Officials hope to have all tribal members vaccinated by the spring of 2021.